Good morning everyone! I'm off to a meeting and I had to open my studio light kasi napundi na to. So, I can't replace it kasi wala akong ladder. So, later on, hiram na lang tayo sa maintenance. So, yeah, my breakfast today was lemon water. Wala lang, detox water siya. I love it so much. Nakaka-refresh talaga. I was able to buy kasi like 6 lemons at the supermarket for only 130 plus pesos. Nakasale yata siya. And for me, parang mura na yan kasi mahal ang lemon. Anyway, yeah, simple look for today, guys. Yeah, I just want to look decent for my meeting. Meeting is now over, guys. Super dami ko ikakwento later on. But now, I'm here at Lay Bear. Nirefund ako ni Hey Sugar, so it's all good. Pero I'm never going back there. So yeah, Lay Bear tayo all the way. Lay Bear. I'm not getting paid to do this, pero super love ko lang to. Ilang years na ako sa Lay Bear, so di ba ate, nakuha ko yan. Almost done with my Brazilian wax here at Lay Bear. I forgot to mention pala na when I did the vlog about Hey Sugar, they don't use gloves. So, yun. And kaka-compare ko lang sa wax ni Ate Judy dun sa Hey Sugar. Sobrang parang tunaw na talaga yung wax sa Lay Bear, which is a good thing. And they put an ample amount of powder para talagang mahatak talaga. At nilinis talaga nila. Sobrang linis ng bongga. Yan. I love it. Yun. Pero yung sa Hey Sugar kasi, ewan ko. Anyway, yung iba namang tao parang okay naman daw. Pero yung pinost ko sa Facebook kasi, as in super konting tao lang ang nag-agree na okay doon. So, majority pa rin were not satisfied. But I was able to talk to the supervisor and actually in-email ako ng parang manager yata nila. Yun. Na-refund naman and yeah, don't be afraid to ask for a refund. Lalo na kapag hindi kayo satisfied, di ba? At ang bikini wax dito sa Lay Bear and sa Hey Sugar, sobrang ibang-iba. I'm used to the bikini wax here in Lay Bear kasi super konti lang hairline na natira. Pero dun sa Hey Sugar, as in sobrang triangle talaga ng buo. Parang, yun na yung winax mo, girl. Colors. Anyway, yeah, I won't rant anymore. Finishing up na lang. Tapos, we'll have lunch and then I'll go to Forever 21 ba or H&M just to look at some outfits. Yeah, so I'm vlogging while getting my waxing done. Kung pwede lang i-vlog, no? Anyway, yeah. Okay naman yung sakit. Sakit siya na, yeah, tiis ganda. Wow, yan. Now, having lunch here at G5. So, yeah. We have our tea over here. Meron silang house tea. That's so cute. Oh, si Mark matawag. And so, I ordered their sweet potato cake. Ewan ko ba ba't ako na-addict sa sweet potato cake na yan. Yummy. It's 80 pesos. And here's my shoyu ramen. Ang laki pala, my gosh. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I just ended my live stream. I live streamed while eating lunch. Yum! So, medyo mabagal yung net nila. So, tapos na. Mamayang gabi ulit. This is so yummy, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Sarap niya. I love it. I love it. So right now, I'm trying out the Xlim Connect Wi-Fi feature. So apparently, you can transfer photos from your Xlim camera to your phone. So, okay yan. So they have squid ink epi bread. Oh. And then meron curry pan. Ito si sabi nila Judy yata. Curry pan yung nasa Japan. They also have the Japanese cheesecake over there. Oh, masarap this one. Finally back home, I went shopping at H&M, just, you know, picked up a few stuff that I think are perfect for the summer. So, hindi ko na siya magagamit tomorrow. I can also use them pag, pumunta kami ni Mark sa Palawan. So, gaganda ng mga shorts nila. I love H&M because they have sizes for even big girls like me. And I love it. So, I got like bikini tops, a romper. Super cute. Ayan. Love it. And then, this one yung romper. So, right now I have to pack because I have to go back home pa para, wala lang, spend time with family before we leave for Zambales tomorrow. So, making use of my soft boxes again. Kasi nga, wala akong ilaw. Naghihiram pa ako ng ladder since wala akong ladder. Clerksburgs. Look what came in the mail, guys. Ang cute. It's a new watch from the brand Veloci. Veloci ba? Kala ko Velocity. Veloci. I love it. So cute. Very manly, pero bongga. My sister's here. Hello. It's the end of the night, guys. Andito na yung special guest ko na nagre-raid. Yeah. Tada! It's Kim! Kim! Speaking of Kim, na-upload na niya yung video. Tama ba? Hindi ko ba napapanood? Papanoorin ko.
Tokyo part pa lang.
Ilang parts yan, girl?
Dalawa.
Dalawa lang? Gusto ko 8. Love it. Anyway, yun na. Ayun na mga maleta ni Kim and all. Because tomorrow we're going to...
Singapore.
Zambales!
Yay, Zambales!
True. Hanggang Monday lang naman. So, that's it for today's vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Bye!
Super fun, as in, super.